In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and sum data in Google Sheets, all within just 5 minutes. Google Sheets is a fantastic tool for organizing and analyzing data. And one of its most useful features is the ability to quickly add and sum numbers. Whether you're managing simple lists or intricate data sets, mastering this skill can significantly streamline your workflow. First things first, open a Google Sheet. You can do this by heading over to your Google Drive and creating a new spreadsheet if you don't already have one. This is where you'll be working with your data. So take a moment to get familiar with the layout if it's new to you. Now, identify the cell where you want the sum of your data to appear. This might be at the end of a column or row or somewhere else in your sheet, depending on how you have your data organized. Click on this cell to ensure it's selected and ready for input. With the cell selected, type an equals sign, which serves as the universal way to initiate a formula in Google Sheets. This signals that you're about to input a calculation or function. Next, decide whether you want to sum numbers using a range or individual cells. For a range, the sum function is what you'll use. After typing the equals sign, start typing sum. You should see an auto-completion prompt appear. This is a helpful feature that assists you in quickly inserting functions. After typing sum, open a parenthesis. Now, you need to select the range of cells you want to add. Click and drag your cursor over the cells or range of cells that you want to include in the sum. This action defines the group of cells you want to add together. If you're typing manually, input the range, such as A1, A10, within the parentheses. Finally, press Enter. Google Sheets will instantly calculate and display the sum of the numbers from the cells you selected in the cell you originally chose. It's that straightforward. And there you have it. You've successfully summed data in Google Sheets. While this process is straightforward, ensure you enter your ranges and formulas accurately to avoid any errors. This method is versatile enough to handle simple additions or more complex data sets, making it an invaluable tool in your data management toolkit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Until next time, happy summing!